don't know.
Yes, go ahead. Yes. So if somebody have a question, please raise your hand. Otherwise, Daniel, go ahead.
Thank you, Rabbi. Also, about the same topic of Yom Tov, when it says, for the sake of any common human need of pleasure, such as warming oneself or washing one's face with warm water. This water has to be warmed with this pre-existing heating source or fire that we're talking about, right? Or can
usually,
it be done? Can it be done with an on-demand heater or something like that?
So if it is okay, that's very good question. So with this on-demand heater, right? So you're not doing anything specifically, like everything is done through grama. Grama means indirectly. So what I do, I just open the faucet, right? I don't go like turn it on, off. I don't touch it. So I open and so meaning what? The heater was on. It was on a minimum. Even though it is cold on demand, but it keeps some kind of temperature, I think. So it's not exactly cold water, I think. But even if it's cold water and it's like and this there is some element is working there, I think should not be any issues. So it would be like from pre-existing fire. Yeah, go ahead.
Thank you, Rabbi. No, I said it because I have this on-demand heater. It's an electric one that I only use for my kitchen. It's like under the sink, and I could use it for my dishwasher. But it's like mamash on demand. Like it doesn't have like a big tank. Like it has like a very very small tank, and it heats the water like really to a really high temperature, and then it's so strong that it kind of throws hot water all the time. But it's like mamash on demand. Would the heater be prohibited? That's
a good question. So I never heard of this kind of heater. Usually there is some expansion tank and some like for I don't know, for 10 seconds, 15 seconds that the water can run, and then it start warming up. But it's very interesting. So it's completely off, right?
Not really. It actually turns on every time you open the faucet.
No. But if faucet is off, so it's completely off. There is nothing there. No, right?
When the faucet's
no. Well,
yeah.
No. I'm talking about this heater. Is it off like when you do not use this hot water? So the heater is off, like that off, right?
Yes, exactly.
So we have to look into it. It's not such a clear thing to me. We have to check, and I'm going to explain why. And because where we live, like in most of the territory, we have the gas. So gas means what? Like we have this huge tank, huge tanks. And the system actually keeps it warm, water. You set up the temperature. There is several like right? So and that's it. So basically, it's always warm, like by itself. So of course, like naturally, the temperature drops and it's going to turn on by itself. So you're not doing anything. But if it's completely off, so in this case, it's not off. Right, but if it's completely off, we have to look into it. I'm not sure 100%. We have to check.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.